In this video, we're going to talk about application of equations. You often see this word quite a lot in maths. It basically means uses of it in real life. For example, we've been doing equations. So we've got something like blah 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 plus blah 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 equals blah 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 over here. Well, application of how do we put this into good use? How do we apply it to the world? So that's what application means. Putting what we've learned to good use. How do we apply it to the real world? For example, let me give you this this problem here. I've got four. Hang on. Let me draw it first. 46. Okay, I've got four consecutive numbers. When you add them together, it comes to 46. So for example, consecutive numbers, consecutive. Okay, I've got four consecutive numbers. When you add them all up, it comes to 46. Consecutive means one after the other in order. So for example, let's say 6, 7, 8, 9. So basically they're in order and they're one after the other. So consecutive means in order, one after the other. Quite a while back ago, I asked you to get a brand new book and write the word formula in front of that book, and then well, basically at the back of that book, I want you to write this word down, consecutive. And yeah, so get that book and write the word consecutive at the back of the book. And yeah, so consecutive, write it like this with an equal sign, saying one after the other in order. So one. Hang on, let me do it here. So at the back of the book, write consecutive. Okay, this is a T. Consecutive, and then equals one after the other, and comma in order. Okay, so learn how to spell this as well. You probably have to develop your own technique, like sec, and then cool, tiv. Okay, recycle the C here, so you use it twice. Sec and then cool, consecutive, and learn how to spell this as well. It means one after the other and in order, and then maybe in bracket somewhere. Maybe do something like 7, 8, 9, 10. See, these are consecutive. Okay, so yeah, write this at the back of the book. Learn how to spell this word by heart. Okay, consecutive. Okay, back to our problem. So here we've got four consecutive numbers. Okay, added together gives me 46. What are those four numbers? When someone gives you a problem like this, it's hard to understand what's going on. So have a guess. Let's play around with it first. So we've got four consecutive numbers. Okay, when we add them together, it comes to 46. So we don't know where to start. So let's try some numbers. Let's say 5. Okay, 5, and they're consecutive, so it has to be 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's see. 5. Let's add these two first. This would be 11. This would be 15. And then when you add 11 plus 15, that would be 26 miles away. So you could try something else. You could try. Let's say 7. No, it was miles away. So let's try. Let's say let's say 8, 9. But basic, hang on, 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11. Okay, so these are four consecutive numbers here, and we've got to find out what those four numbers are. When you add them together, it comes to 46. Well, we don't know this, so we can't say equals 46. So let's check it first. So we are just guessing at the moment. So this would be 17. This would be 21. Okay, so what's 17 plus 21? That would be 8, 3. Still too low. So rather than sitting there and guessing all the time, that's a better technique. Okay, so hang on. Four consecutive numbers equals 46. So this is a technique of doing this is to, well, we want to know what these four numbers are. So if we don't know something in maths, we call it x, and then we try and find out what x is. So if we say this is x, and our job is to find out what this number is. Okay. So when you don't know something in maths, call it x, and then try and find out what x is. So if this is x here, this must be x plus 1. Okay. Well, for example, when we tried it earlier, 5, 6. See, x plus 1, and this must be x plus 2. Because if you think about it, if we call this 5, then this number plus 2 must be 7. Yeah, and this number must be x plus 3. Now we can put it onto our balance here. Okay, our balance. I know it's a weird balance, but the reason why I can do this is because I know that if you add all four together, it comes to 46. Okay, because we know that for sure. So x here plus let's put it in the bubble here. X plus 1 here, and then x plus 2, and then plus. Hang on, let me do it again here. So it's x plus 1, and then plus x plus 2, and then plus x plus 3 equals 46. Okay. So this is our first number here. This is our second number here. This is our third number here. This is our fourth number here. Because yeah, so we are just putting them into an equation basically. So now if you look at this, same entity, same entity, same entity, same entity. So we could say, well, 1, 2, 3, 4x. So we are just simplifying it, 4x. Now single numbers on their own are like one entity, so you can merge all of them together. So 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 again would be 6. So all the above up there is that, okay, equals 46. Now it's just a matter of solving this equation to find out what x is. So this here becomes well, kill off the 6. So that would be, so take away 6 from both sides. So it would be this, okay, and then divide both sides by 4. So x is 4. So remember our original thing here. We've got 4 numbers added together. Gives us 46. Okay, so we worked out. We said that this was x. This must be x plus 1. This must be x plus 2. X plus 3. Now we worked out that x is 10, so we can put this into here. So this must be 10. Well, this must be x plus 1. X is 10, so this is 11 here. X plus 2, so this must be 12, and this must be 13. Okay, so let's check it now. So this 10 plus 11 is 21. 12 plus 13 will be 25. Add the two together. 21 plus 25 equals, well, 46. There. Okay, so let me just have a quick recap here. I said 4 consecutive numbers added together gives me gives us 46. Okay, and your job was to find out what these numbers are. Well, when we don't know something in maths, we call it x, and then try and work out what x is. So we call this x plus 1, x plus 2, and x plus 3. Okay, because we know that they are consecutive numbers, because the question states that they have to be one after the other in order. That's why we have to do it like this. Okay, and then the next step is to put it into an equation. So basically this here, and then this becomes x, and then x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. And then you can see that same entity here, same entity. Well, basically these are all of the same type, so you can merge them. So that becomes 4x, and then not single numbers on their own are like one entity. You can merge them together, so it becomes this. Okay, so now it's just a matter of figuring out this equation here. You see, that's why equations are so useful. Okay,